The next account we are going to post is common stock. We have one transaction on April 1st. So we are going to transfer the information. We're going to put equal, select common stock, and hit enter. And the balance will be $22,050. Next account we are going to post in the Ledger T account is service revenue. We have two transactions with this account on April 10th. In the credit column we have a transaction, so we're going to transfer the information. So then we hit enter, and the other transaction with service revenue is on April 20, also in the credit column. So we're going to transfer this information with the click one, select and hit enter. Now we add these two amounts. So now we have a balance of $5,758. Now we move to the next account, salaries and wages expense. There's just one transaction with this account, and it goes in the column of the debit. And both transactions are on April 30. First one is the salary is the agenda paid to the secretary. So we put equal to transfer the information, select and hit enter, and the balance would be $1,836. And the last account we're going to transfer the information is rent expense. So there's a transaction with this account on April 2nd. So we just put equal and select the amount of this transaction and hit enter. Now what we have to do, the balance for rent expense would be $1,103. And the last part of this exercise is that we have to do or prepare the trial balance. And with this we are going to know if we made all the transactions in the right way, because the only thing we have to do is to transfer the balance of the Ledger T account to the trial balance. And the thing is that the both columns must add, the result might be the same amount. So we're going to transfer just the balance information of each account. So in the cash account, we select the balance, hit enter. For the account receivable, the same thing. We put equal and select the balance, hit enter. We are just transferring the information. That's the only thing I am doing right now. For the supplies account, the same thing. This all goes on the debit column. For the supplies account, so we transfer the balance. And here in the accounts payable, we move to the right column, the credit column. And we do the same thing. We transfer the information, the balance of the ledger. So for the account payable, so we just select the balance. For unearned service revenue, the same thing. We just transfer the balance to the trial balance. For the common stock, also the same thing, it goes in the credit column. Select the balance, hit enter. For service revenue, also the same thing. Just select the balance, transfer the information. For salaries and wages expense, we have to go to the debit column, select the balance of the ledger, hit enter, and for the rent expense the same thing. Select the balance, okay, transfer the information. Now I have to add every amount, so equal. So I'm adding every amount. So the total will be $29,891 on the debit column. So in the credit column, the addition should be the same number of the debit. That would mean that all the exercises have been done okay. So let's do it. And hit enter, and yes, it's the same amount, so it means that all the exercise has been done right. Okay, I want to thank you for this opportunity to serve as the presenter. I hope the exercise has been clear. And I'm sorry that there's a lot of noise. I didn't have all the necessary or professional equipment to make a good recording, but I hope you can understand my voice and hear my voice and can understand what I'm saying. And any comments or question, I will be available to answer. I'm willing to answer in the discussion board. So thank you very much for everything. Goodbye.